What if I told you one of the most significant cars in automotive history was a tiny two-door that looked like a toy? In 1929, that car arrived. The Austin 7. This pint-sized British motor car stunned the world when it debuted. Costing just 165 pounds brand new, the 7 brought car ownership to the masses. After the First World War, average families in Britain could finally afford basic motoring. The little Austin was basically a four-wheel motorcycle. Under the hood sat a tiny 747 four-cylinder engine, good for just 20 horsepower. It had a 3-speed manual gearbox and weighed under a ton. The 7 was slow, with a top speed of around 50 mph. But it was nimble and fun to drive. The car was designed by Sir Herbert Austin, founder of the Austin Motor Company. Nearly 300,000 were built between 1922 and 1939 at the Longbridge factory in Birmingham. The 7 created a cultural revolution. For the first time, many lower and middle-class Brits could take day trips, visit the seaside, or commute short distances on 4 wheels. This affordable car gave freedom and mobility to thousands.